All right, guys, I'm going to show you now how to create a chart from the data that we collected in the lab. All right, so you guys should have your spreadsheet opened up, the one that I sent you as an assignment, and you will be putting in, I already gave you 0 to 20, you'll be putting, that's the time, you'll be putting in your temperatures at each of those. I'm going to put mine in real quick, maybe. There we go, put mine in real quick, and you can see there that these are just numbers I made up, so don't worry if they're not the same as yours. Right, all you have to do is you click on the first, and you can drag it right down, select all of your data, and go right over to here where it says Insert Chart. You could also go in the Insert menu and go down to the bottom where it says Chart. And I'm going to choose the little icon up top here, Insert Chart. And we can see, let's see, we got use row 1 as a header, and I'm going to say use column A as label, okay? We go over, I don't like the fact that they don't give us a lot of options here, so I'm going to just choose charts, and we're going to use a line chart. We'll click on the top one right here because it's just the one we want to use. You can see we already have a lot of information already built in. Look at that, it's already got a whole bunch of stuff on there for us. But the one thing we're missing a couple, we're missing a title, we're missing the axes names, all that stuff. So we'll go to Customize. Click on Customize, and let's give it a chart title right off the bat. We're going to title this Time versus Temperature. Okay, so we do that, and bam, it comes right for us. We go down a bit. We have our axes now, a horizontal and a vertical axis. Let's start with the horizontal axis. We're going to give that a name. Temperature. And what did we? Don't forget what we used. We used. Oops. Yeah, we used it. Oh, that's not temperature. What am I thinking? That's our time. We used minutes. All right, and we don't even have to worry about a maximum in because it goes from 0 to 20, just the data that we gave them. So it was perfect. We could go down here if we want. If we wanted to add more lines, we could. What happens if we put in 10? That gets a little tight. So I like 5. We'll give it 5 overall lines. It seems to work out. It's a little prettier there. All right, that's good. Then we'll go back up here. We'll change it axis to the left vertical. It'll be over here. We'll give that a title as well. We'll call that temperature. And don't forget to use label that temperature in Celsius. Ooh, looks like I have some spelling errors there. If we click on it, spell that. We should never have a spelling error. Celsius. And you see we have our temperatures right over there. That looks pretty cool. If you want to give it a little more detail, you can. Again, I've got 5 major lines. If you want to go to, I don't know, we'll try 10, see how that looks. A little more detail for us. Then all we have to do is click Insert. Click Insert. And just drag it over so it's not right on top of our data. And there you go. There's our graph. Very easy. Once you're all done with that and you're happy with that, you'll have the little, submit, or what is it, turn in right over here, which I don't have because obviously I'm not turning this into myself. But you'll have that right there, and you're good to go. Okay? Have fun.